Hello students and welcome to Top Scholars. Today we'll be talking about another very interesting and very simple topic, that is dengue. Students, dengue is a mosquito-borne viral disease caused by the dengue virus. Now, in this case, this dengue virus is transmitted by female mosquitoes belonging to the species Aedes aegypti. Moving on students, let us see the signs and symptoms of dengue fever. Firstly, the patient experiences loss of appetite, diarrhea and vomiting, gum and nose bleedings, severe joint and muscle pain, fatigue, nausea and vomiting as well. Now, another symptom included is a sudden drop in blood pressure. Moving on students, now let us learn the various methods by which we can prevent this particular disease. For example, for avoiding this illness, make sure that your surroundings are free of any waterlogging issues, as this particular mosquito, that is the Aedes mosquito, prefers to breed in stagnant clean water. Now such water, stagnant water, is easily found near our houses. Until now, there has been no vaccine developed to prevent the dengue virus. The only prevention, students, is to avoid the mosquito bites. Now let us see what can we do to avoid being bitten by these mosquitoes. One thing we can do is cover our skin by wearing long pants and long sleeved shirts. Also, we can use mosquito repellents, traps, nets, etc. We should keep all the doors and windows closed, especially at dawn and dusk, that is when the mosquitoes are most active. Also, they should be closed early evening to avoid the entry of these mosquitoes. Students, keep our surrounding clean by removing all the waste and cleaning the standing water.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.